Assalamu alaikum. So today I will discuss same topic, chain rule. Okay, last lecture I discussed chain rule. The same topic I will discuss today. So let me start from here. Derivative of exponential functions. This one. Okay. So this formula. Last lecture I discussed the same point, chain rule. Look over here. Here I'm writing this definition. Derivative of e power x is equal to e power x. You know this. Same. Okay. Now if here derivative of e power, if here मौजूद u यानी मुख्तलिफ मीन x, different from x, u is function of x, okay, different. This equal to what? E power u, this one is equal to, first you write this same e power u and then the tafadul, derivative of u, this one. Okay. Look here मौजूद tafadul e power x equal to e power x, and is tafadul derivative of e power u equal to e power u, and after that tafadul u, this one d by dx of u. Right? See here. And another kanun, tafadul a power x, this one, a power x, a yani a number, a may be 2, 3, this is exponential function also. A power x yani 2 power x, 3 power x, 4 power x, 5 power x, like that. Okay. This one, then this kanun, a power x, derivative of a power x equal to a power x and ln a, ln a. This is kanun. Okay. Now look, if here this is generalized formula yani chain rule, if here a power u, then how to write this one? It's equal to same. First you write a power u, then ln a, this one, and after that tafadul u, this one. ज़्यादा ज़्यादा बस. If this u is मुख्तलिफ from x, different from x, माफी x. Then first you write tafadul a power u equal to a power u ln a, and बाद in this ज़्यादा ज़्यादा tafadul u. Same here. If this u is मुख्तलिफ from x, then first you write e power u, and बाद in tafadul u, ज़्यादा ज़्यादा tafadul u. Okay. If here e power x, then this e power x in a class. Here a power x, then here class a power x ln a, here class. But if e power u here, e power u, then hada ज़्यादा tafadul u. Here a power u, hada ज़्यादा tafadul u. This is the rule. Remember this. Come to question. See this rule. See this question. Let me start from here. First, you look over this example. This example. See this. That number first I am taking this one. Number e. The function is this. This is example number e. Y equal to e power sin x. Sin x. And you have to find derivative. This is the question. Find the derivative of the following functions. Find the derivative yani tafadul of following functions. Okay, so you have to find tafadul of this. How to find tafadul? You will use. See, this kanun I will use here. See this. There are two kanun. Number one, this tafadul e power x is equal to e power x. This one same. And here tafadul e power u here is equal to e power u darb tafadul u. This one. Okay. Now see this question. There are two kanun here. Look, if here मौजूद x फकत x, then هذا e power x class. If here मौजूद u यानी मुख्तलिफ मीन x, different from x. So هذا e power मौजूद sin x, मुख्तलिफ from x, right? Different from x. Then you will take here u इसावी sin x, u इसावी sin x, and then use this kanun. This one, use this kanun. What is this kanun? You have to find this tafadul d over dx of this one e power sin x is equal to what? First you write this e power u yani e power u means sin x, and then here tafadul derivative of what? Derivative of u. This is u yani tafadul sin x, u yani this sin x, this u to here first, and by that u to here. See the kanun here मौजूद. Using this kanun, using this one, because if here fakat x मौजूद, see here fakat x मौजूद, then use here e power x plus. if هنا ما في موجود x, if هنا موجود مختلف يعني u function of x, هذا مختلف, هذا ما في x, هذا sin x مختلف من x, يعني this is u يساوي sin x, and then use this kanun e power u here plus e power u means e power sin x, and then tafadul derivative of this u, tafadul d ala dx of u hada sin x is equal to what? E power sin x, and then hada tafadul sin x come, tafadul sin x yani cosine x. This is the answer. E power sin x the cosine x. You can write this way here. In a darb मौजूद, you can write cosine x over sin x the e power sin x. Our answer. See this. Is it clear? Any problem here? Clear. Right. Now come to the next question. See the next question here. Now take this same type. This one number h. Y isavi. See this question. Question number this h. Y equal to e power sec theta. This one. Okay. Right. Sec 3 theta. Question ji. Okay, I will solve question ji. But what you see, this is same like this one. This E, this one E, this E and this H looking same. Okay, then I have taken this first, right? And I will solve that question. First you leave here. How to solve this here? See, you will use this one. U equal to sec theta, right? You will use this one. u equal to sec theta. Right? How to write this? Y dash equal to tafadul e power sec theta. This equal to what? First you will write this sec power 3 theta, talata theta. Is equal to e power sec theta first, and then the tafadul sec talata theta. Sec talata theta. This one. By using this kanun. Now look over here. This equal to e power sec. See how to do this. Look over here. Here, this here I will use again chain rule. How to write chain rule? I told you this one. If function is like that, here f मौजूद, फिर तफादुल मौजूद, f मौजूद बर्रा, जुआ मौजूद sin x. And how to use this tafadul? This equal to first look to this tafadul f dash hada barra function, and this juwa function same dx, this one, and then tafadul juwa function. Now look here, I will use this rule here. बिना इससे के यानी f and hada बिना मौजूद तलाता थीटा, जिस तलाता थीटा यानी gx. I will use this rule. Is equal to what? Here f यानी sec. What is tafadul of sec? Tafadul sec कम मौजूद. Tafadul sec is tafadul sec कम. तफादुल sec यानी sec, and then here मौजूद. You remember the table? Sec and tan. So f dash यानी तफादुल sec यानी sec and hada gx nafsu. Sec यानी gx nafsu यानी तलाता थीटा. Then you know tafadul here, tafadul sec x equal to awwal maktub sec x and the tangent x. هذا tafadul sec awwal maktub sec and بعدين tan, awwal sec and بعدين tan, and هذا gx same here, gx यानी this thalata theta same, and بعدين ضرب هنا, ضرب هذا tafadul जुआ यानी tafadul this thalata theta, tafadul here. And look one more thing here. This is function of theta, and here you will take this theta, tafadul theta, d over d theta, with respect to theta. Okay. If here x मौजूद, then x. If here theta मौजूद, then you will take here theta. Okay. This is theta. Right. And here you will take here. You will take theta. Theta and here talata theta. This is tafadul using this rule. Okay. If here x मौजूद, then you will take here x. But if here मौजूद theta, so you will take theta, d ala d theta. Is equal to what? Is equal to e power sin theta, not sin theta, e power sec theta. So ये not theta, ये तलाता theta मौजूद है, तलाता theta, and the sec thalata theta tangent thalata theta and darb here tafadul thalata theta thalata yani thalata and tafadul theta yani 1 yani theta same like x tafadul x yani 1 tafadul 1 is equal to thalata and darb wala thalata से लेना अव्वल e power sec thalata theta darb sec thalata theta and thalata theta this one okay. Any confusion here? Any problem? Okay. Good. Any other question? After that, I will take this one. First, you see this G, F, and then G. Or first, you see G here, and then I will take. You see G. Sine, cosine, tangent x. It is here module. F y equal to sine, and then cosine, and then here tangent x. This is the question. Sine, cosine, tangent x. Sine, cosine, tangent x. Here module fx equal to this one. Here module fx. Actually fx will y the same. Fx here. Sine and then another cosine tangent x. Now look here. ये तलाता function. Hina module sine. Then jua hada cosine. And hina jua tangent x. Now look. First you look here. See this. Hada sine yani f. Okay. Then hada jua from here to here. From here to here hada kamil till hada dx. Then use this kanun. Tafadul f here and here the jua module dx. How to write tafadul? Oval hada tafadul f and the hada kamil same dx hina same also dx. You know this kanun dx same and baden hina the tafadul jua tafadul dx. This one, right? This is the root. So first use this root here. This f dash x equal to here module tafadul f dash x and tafadul hada. Oval hina module sine and baden hina module jua sine tangent x. Okay. So hada f yani f dash yani tafadul sin यानी क्या तफादुल sin यानी cosine sin खलास के बाद हिना जुआ कम जुआ हिना कामिल gx so हिना कामिल gx आता from here to here gx तो हिना cosine tangent x आता कामिल gx okay and बाद अंदर तफादुल here तफादुल gx यानी this d by dx are कम gx आता कम gx आता कम dx here cosine tangent x. First, write like this. Okay. This sin here barra sin bata yani f and jua मौजूद cosine tangent x यानी कामिल dx. अव्वल तफादुल f यानी sin यानी cosine and jua मौजूद gx यानी cosine tangent x same and बादन तफादुल gx यानी तफादुल cosine tangent x. This one time this use is equal to r is equal to this one. Now again Sufina. Tafadul. Then hina मौजूद cosine. Here cosine मौजूद هذا برا f. Okay. And hina هذا جوا tangent x. Again use the same कानून. See this. Still هذا cosine यानी f and هذا جوا tangent यानी gx. Again use the same rule. Okay. This equal to what? Here मौजूद cosine and here cosine tangent x. तफादुल here. Now look here. तफादुल अव्वल हादा cosine. तफादुल cosine यानी minus sign. This. हादा gx यानी gx अव्वल नफ्सो इना जो tangent x. And بعدين ضرب تفاضل gx यानी हादा आता है gx यानी हादा यानी हादा tangent x. Here use two times also. This कानून use here two times. This कानून use two times. अव्वल this sign बर्रा हादा कामिल जुवा यानी हादा कामिल gx. This sign यानी cosine. हादा gx यानी हिना same. And بعدين तफादुल gx यानी हादा कामिल. हादा तफादुल हादा कामिल again so हिना मौजूद बर्रा cosine and हिना जुवा मौजूद gx. Hina again use the same कानून. तफादुल cosine यानी minus sign and gx hina same and بعدين ضرب तफादुल जुवा यानी this tangent x. We are using two times. Okay. And this equal to what? Here cosine and here cosine tangent x and that here मौजूद minus sign and this minus sign and this tangent x minus sign tangent x and that here तफादुल tangent x हादा तफादुल tangent यानी set कर दिया x. This is the answer. This one. This is f. This is f here. You see this. This was g, not f. This was g, not f. Okay. See this. So here cosine tangent x. Here the sine tangent x and तफादुल set. Okay. This here sine मौजूद, so sine is गिना हुआ. Same thing, right? Right. So this you can take this in a sine मौजूद कुल्लो ضرب तो sine is गिना. Sine here sine tangent x. This one. Other गिना मौजूद sine. And here sine tangent x and here this one. And that this way also. Okay. Now come to the next question. This question was g. This was not f. This was g. This was g here. This is g. Now come to after g, I will take this one. F. Now I am taking f. Y equal to. I'm taking see this f. F is this y equal to 4. This 4 power 4 power minus 4 power come minus 2x. 4 power minus 2x, yes. 4 power minus 2x, this one. Right? 4 power minus 2x. See this kanun here. I told you this rule. Here, tafadul. Here, a power x. A power x यानी तफादुल a power x यानी a power x ln a hala. So, you don't take minus here, take plus 2x only. X. This is x. But if here I told you this, if here मौजूद a power, if here मौजूद a power u, then how to write? Then you will write a power u ln a and darb tafadul u. This is the concept, right? It means what? If in a x मौजूद फकत x, then hada class. If here u मौजूद, ये u यानी मुख्तलिफ मीन x, माफी x. So look here. هنا موجود 2x, هذا ما في x, هذا 2x, مختلف from this x. New this comes. This means what? Here u يساوي كم? u يساوي 2x. Right? Then use this قانون. Here y dash equal to what? Y dash equal to tafadul. Y dash equal to tafadul. 4 power come 4 power 2x. This one. This equal to what? 2x यानी this. अव्वल to this. a power u यानी हरा same 4 power 2x same हरा and the ln a यानी a हरा मौजूद 4 ln 4 and दर्ब कम दर्ब तफादुल हरा कम तफादुल u यानी what u यानी 2x तफादुल 2x right. This is minus 2x here मौजूद in the question minus 2x is this here minus 2x this is minus 2x here minus x right. Here use so if in a x मौजूद फकत x मौजूद then use this ala tol hina class a power x ln a and if मौजूद तफादुल a power u यानी ना माफी x मुख्तलिफ मीन x so هذا माफी x هذا मुख्तलिफ different from x यानी u will use this a power u यानी هذا a power هذا u بعدين ln a यानी ln 4 بعدين هذا تفاضل u यानी तफादुल u means هذا minus 2x right. Now take this here, just remember using this kanun here is equal to what 4 power minus 2x under ln 4 under hina तफादुल सालिब इतनेन x सालिब इतनेन यानी सालिब इतनेन अंदर तफादुल x यानी वाहिद तफादुल x यानी वाहिद okay. This equal to what this minus 2 dar 1 यानी minus 2 you can take here minus 2 अंदर 4 minus 2x अंदर ln 4 answer okay this way right. See any problem here? Okay, I'll come to the next question. So here we have discussed so far. this word. This A I discussed last lecture. Okay? This is here last lecture I discussed u power n. Tafadul u power n. Okay? Give it other no need this. This I have discussed. This I have discussed. This discussed. And this finish. And come to this one. Right? Let me solve one more question. This question J. J equal to any problem up to here? Go ahead. Any problem? Any question? No. Come to here. Y. Now I will discuss J. Y equal to sine. See this question. Number J. Y equal to sine. हिना मौजूद हुआ 1 plus cosine x. 1 plus cosine x. Okay. Look, you have to find this. Fadul y dash equal to dy dx आधा. हिना मौजूद sine. Here मौजूद 1 plus cosine x. You have to find this. Now look, which कानून first I will use? So, हिना मौजूद sin बर्रा. Sin बर्रा यानी this is f. And हादा कामिल जुआ यानी this is gx. So this कानून first. हादा बर्रा and हादा जुआ. use this कानून. What is this कानून? अवल तफादुल हादा f. तफादुल f यानी तफादुल sin यानी cosine. Sine. And हिना जुआ gx कामिल same. That 1 plus sin x आधा g. तफादुल f यानी तफादुल sin यानी cosine आधा क्लास. And हिना जुआ gx कामिल. And बादेन दर तफादुल जुआ यानी आधा gx 1 plus cosine x. You remember this rule? We write here again this rule. Know this. Tafadul here barra function f and hina मौजूद gx. F took this. أول هذا تفاضل f dash and هذا جوا نفسه gx same and بعدين در تفاضل جوا يعني I'm using this कानून here. You have written here f यानी sin and gx यानी कामिल हादा 1 plus cosine using this कानून. Okay. Now come to here. This. How to find this tafadul? Tafadul jadar 1 cosine x. Tafadul jadar 1 plus cosine x. See this. How to find this? You know this one. I will use this कानून here. हिना मौजूद तफादुल जदर x. हिना मौजूद तफादुल जदर x. You will write तफादुल जदर x कम वाहिद आला नेन जदर x आधा. I explain you. वाहिद आला नेन जदर x. फिर मौजूद तफादुल जदर u हिना x. And here मुख्तलिफ min x यानी u. And how to write? You will write the same way. वाहिद आला इतनेन दर जदर u. Okay. To here same. And बादेन दर बिना दर तफादुल u. ज़्यादा ज़्यादा, दर्ब तफादुल, तफादुल दिस, तफादुल यू, ज़्यादा ज़्यादा बस. هنا x فقط x موجود, جذر x وهذا واحد على اثنين جذر x. but if here u موجود, u يعني مختلف من x. how to write واحد على اثنين جذر u هو الواحد على اثنين جذر u بعدين تفاضل تفاضل هذا u. see I will use here this same thing. here موجود cosine, cosine موجود جذر 1 plus cosine x. how to use this? here look over here. هنا موجود جذر 1 plus cosine x. हुआ मौजूद 1 plus cosine x, هذا ما في x 1 plus cosine x. so use this one. u يساوي here u يساوي كم here u يساوي this 1 plus cosine x. هذا u كيف اكتب هذا تفاضل تفاضل u جذر u يعني واحد اثنين جذر جذر كم هذا u يعني this 1 plus cosine x. same. بعدين ضرب تفاضل كم تفاضل u تفاضل u يعني تفاضل u يعني this 1 plus cosine x. using this कानून here u يساوي كم u موجود here 1 plus cosine x. so कामिल u هنا يجي 1 plus cosine x هنا يجي 1 plus cosine x using this कानून. right? see this is equal to what? is equal to cosine 1 plus cosine x here and there واحد على اثنين جذر 1 plus cosine x and there here. so فينا تفاضل واحد كم تفاضل واحد يعني نمبر تفاضل واحد يعني صفر. تفاضل sin x كم تفاضل sin x يعني cosine x. this one. what is answer? answer this cosine 1 plus cosine x and there واحد على اثنين there sorry here تفاضل cosine x يعني sin x सालिब sin 1 plus cosine x and there here right. ये this ये बोलो ये this right. this way you will write. so here that's enough for chain rule. now I will come to this point. next lecture I will discuss this implicit tafadul. next lecture I will discuss this implicit tafadul, implicit differentiation. okay. today I will stop here. any questions? any question? okay, so today I will stop here. thanks for joining today.